How to add fade-in effect on iMovie. In this video, I'll show you how to add a fade-in effect in iMovie, perfect for creating a smooth start to your video. Let's get into it. First, remember that this app is not available on Android device. This is only available on iOS device. So click on search bar and open iMovie. After that, open a project that you want to add fade-in effect to. Now, to fade in the video, just hover the clip that you want to add fade in effect to, and you will see options like this. Click on it. Now you can see different options like thin, dissolve, slide, wipe and fade. Click on this fade option. Now if you want to add fade in the audio, click on the clip and look for the small fade handle at the top left of audio waveform. Drag it to the right to gradually increase the volume. You can make the fading longer or shorter depending on the effect you want. And that's it. This is how you add a fade-in effect on iMovie. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.